Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can check screen time in HUAWEI. So first you will need to launch settings, then enter the digital balance category. Onwards, tap at the start button, then set up all those things, or rather just choose whether this device belongs to you or your child. And over here you can see your usage statistics, which is practically the active screen time amount. Then you can also see the app screen time statistics as well, the screen usage today, last 7 days, etc. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.